Hello, Josie. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I spoke to Jasmine on the phone and I told her that I would send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I'm just going to go through your site really quickly. I'm going to go through one of your competitor sites. And then I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can use yourself today for free to start bringing in some more high quality traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. So here I am on the Exterior Medics homepage. And so the site does look very well laid out. It looks very professional. And so I like the look of it. However, as I'm scrolling through, I'm not seeing a lot of content on here. Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words on this homepage. I did do a word counter search, and you currently have 210 words of original content. So I would suggest adding in some more content here. You want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they are going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they are looking for. In addition to having enough content, you want to make sure that content is filled with an appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords. And so Google loves information, and you can strategically place the right keywords within your content to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be in front of when people search for them. A good example of a keyword right here is patio installation Fredericksburg, VA. This keyword brings in 1,000 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a small fraction of those into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one single keyword. Beneath the search bar is where we typically see Google Ads. There are none popping up right now, but Google Ads can be a really great way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition. They're also good to promote a special event or offer that you have going on. They can also be a good fast leads option while you are waiting for your SEO to warm up, but they're not going to be your best long-term ROI. Beneath our ads, or where the ads would usually be, now up at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. The Google Map Pack is extremely important. It can produce huge amounts of revenue. In order to make it into one of these top 3 spots, you need to have a lot of citations. Citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So Yelp, Angie's List, HomeAdvisor, all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. And so you want to be on more of these online directories than these 3 businesses are here, or any of the other businesses that rank in the map pack in the areas that you serve. And also remember when you are entering your information into these online directories that it looks identical down to every last character to the information on your Google business profile in order for it to be counted as a citation. So now I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. This should be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term ROI. Google has actually come out and said that up to 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, are going to be clicking on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to be clicking on one towards the top of the first page. Now, in addition to having good content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered relevant backlinks. A backlink is just a clickable text from one website to another. It's basically like one website giving a shout out to another website. And so you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high powered relevant sites. For example, if a local electrician with a powerful site were to give you a backlink, that would be a really good way to bring more power to your site. Over here, I've hopped onto SEMrush. SEMrush is a really great tool. If you guys do bring this in-house, I highly recommend it. It is a little pricey. It costs me upwards of $300 a month to use, but I think it's well worth it. It gives me a lot of great information. And so here I typed in a competitor, newlookhomedesign.com. We can see that they have 7,000 backlinks from 1,450 domains, and they are ranking organically for 6,103 keywords. So we can take a closer look and see which keywords they are ranking for. Here it will list all the different keywords, what position they hold for those keywords on Google, how much traffic it brings them every month, and how many people search for that keyword every month. And so you can go through, see which ones apply to what you do, and incorporate the best ones that you're not ranking for right now into your content. This will also give you a good idea of which keywords are working best for them and how you can outrank them for the keywords that are bringing in the most traffic. Now I'm going to go back and do the same thing that I just did with the keywords to their backlinks. And so it's saying they have 7,000 backlinks. You don't want to just beat them out with the quantity of backlinks. You want to beat them out with the quality as well. And so you can go through and see which backlinks have a high AS authority score. You can click on the best ones and see if you can have your website added onto these different pages. Now you can go through these backlinks, you can go through other competitors' backlinks, and then find some on your own as well. Now over here, I've typed in your website into SEMrush as well. Right now you have 4,000 backlinks from 618 different domains, and you are ranking organically for 5,871 keywords. So here we can take a look to see which keywords are bringing you in the most traffic and how well you are ranked for all of them. Now these are organized in the amount of traffic that they bring in. So the farther we go down, the worse you'll probably rank for each of the ones on average, and you're going to get the less amount of traffic from them. And so you want to focus on buyer intent keywords that are preferably location specific or just big national keywords that will bring you in a lot of volume and you know that people in your area are searching for that keyword often. But this should give you a good idea of what you're going for and how much return you're getting for those different keywords. You should go through and pick out the ones that are doing the best, which ones are doing the best for your competitors, and try to focus on a few keywords that you really want to focus on. It's better to focus on a couple hundred keywords rather than try to just branch out everywhere. It's better to focus and make sure that you send the right backlinks to these keywords and get ranked for the best ones. But to go back, here we can see that you have around 4,300 people visiting your site every month. Well, they have about double that much. But I think that you can start to bring in more high quality traffic and rank for the right keywords if you incorporate the 3 things that I talked about into your online marketing plan, which, to recap, number 1, more quality educational content and find which keywords you want to focus on. Number 2, more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number 3, you want to add in some more high-powered relevant backlinks. I would also suggest going through your backlinks you have now to make sure that you don't have any spammy backlinks linking to your site and that they are mostly all from relevant websites. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and you got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.